Have you ever wondered if anesthesia could cause memory problems? You're not alone in this concern. Anesthesia, a medical miracle that allows pain-free surgeries, often stirs fears of memory issues. These apprehensions range from temporary forgetfulness to long-term cognitive decline. Now let's delve into the history of anesthesia and its supposed connection with memory decline. The history of anesthesia dates back to the mid-19th century, and with it, the concerns about its effects on memory. Back then, anesthesia was a medical marvel, but its potential cognitive side effects were not fully understood. Over the decades, medical practitioners and researchers have tirelessly worked to unravel the complexities of anesthesia's impact on memory. Our understanding has greatly evolved, and so have the practices to minimize any potential cognitive decline. With our historical understanding in place, we can now explore the science behind memory and anesthesia. To understand the link between anesthesia and memory, we first need to understand how memory works. Memory is a complex process involving three stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. In simple terms, our brain encodes experiences, stores them as memories, and then retrieves them when needed. Now, anesthesia, particularly general anesthesia, works by temporarily altering brain function, which can interfere with these stages. Scientific research on this subject has given us mixed results. Some studies suggest that anesthesia's effects on memory are negligible and temporary, while others hint at potential risks, especially in older adults or those with pre-existing cognitive issues. But remember, correlation doesn't mean causation. With the science laid out, it's time to separate myths from facts. There are several myths about anesthesia and memory loss. Let's debunk these and focus on the facts. It's a common misconception that anesthesia causes long-term memory issues. However, scientific research shows that any memory changes after anesthesia are typically short-term and minimal. Another myth is that everyone under anesthesia experiences memory loss. In reality, the effects vary widely from person to person. While anesthesia can have some effects on memory, the risk is minimal and usually temporary. Always consult your doctor for any concerns you have. In conclusion, the fears surrounding anesthesia and memory loss are largely unfounded. While there can be short-term effects, these are typically minimal and transient. Remember, it's always best to consult your doctor if you have any concerns or questions about anesthesia and memory.